Hello students, this is going to be part 6 of chapter 7, that is control and coordination. In this part, we'll be learning about different types of endocrine glands. The first one is your hypothalamus, which is located in the brain, and the hormone which is secreted by this gland is called as releasing hormone, which controls the secretions of the pituitary gland. The second gland is called as pituitary gland, and this is located in brain beneath the hypothalamus. So this pituitary gland is located in brain just below the hypothalamus. This pituitary gland is divided into two lobes, that is anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Anterior lobe secretes hormone called as growth hormone, trophic hormone and prolactin hormone, whereas posterior lobe secretes antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin hormone. One of the hormone called as trophic hormone, which is secreted from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, controls the secretions of rest of the endocrine gland. Hence, pituitary gland is also called as master gland because it controls the secretions of rest of the endocrine glands. Now let us see the functions of various hormones which are secreted by the pituitary gland. So first one is your growth hormone, which is secreted by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. It regulates the overall growth of the body. Then the second hormone which is secreted by the anterior lobe of pituitary gland is thyrotropin hormone, which regulates the secretion of the thyroid gland. Corticotropin hormone, which regulates the secretions of the adrenal gland. Endotrophin hormones, which regulate the secretions of the testis and ovary. Together they are called as gonad. The third hormone which is secreted by the anterior lobe is prolactin hormone, which regulates the growth and development of the mammary gland. And it also helps in production of milk in the mammary glands of female. Antidiuretic hormone, which is secreted from the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, it regulates the water balance in the body. How it regulates the water balance in the body? If there is deficiency, if there is a deficiency of water into your body, this hormone will retain more water into your body. If there is excess of water into your body, then it will try to excrete more excess of water from your body. The second hormone which is secreted by the posterior lobe is oxytocin, which regulates the contraction and relaxation of the uterus muscles for childbirth. Secondly, it also regulates the ejection of milk during the process of lactation. Then the next gland is your pineal gland, which is located in the middle of the brain. It secretes the hormone which is called as melatonin, which regulates our sleep and wake cycle. This pineal gland secretes a hormone which is called as melatonin, and this melatonin is also called as a hormone of darkness. This is because this is secreted when the pineal gland senses the darkness. And when the concentration of this hormone increases, it causes some physiological changes into your body which promotes the sleep. Then the next gland is your thyroid gland, which is located in the neck region at the base of the larynx on either side of the trachea. As you know, from the oral cavity, this is followed by the pharynx, followed by the larynx, and then you have the trachea, which is also called as windpipe. So this thyroid gland is located on either side of the trachea. The hormones which are secreted by the thyroid gland are called as thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine regulates the cellular oxidation of carbohydrate, proteins, and fat. And you know that oxidation of nutrients are important for the overall growth and development of the body. Calcitonin, it regulates the calcium and phosphate level in the body. Whenever the level of calcium and phosphate goes down into your body, it raises it up. The next gland is your parathyroid gland, which is a four oval shaped structures which are present at the dorsal side of the thyroid gland. The hormone which is secreted by the parathyroid gland is called as parathormone. This hormone works in opposite direction to the calcitonin which is secreted by the thyroid gland. Whenever the level of calcium and phosphate increases, it brings it down. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next part of the video where we will be discussing some more different types of endocrine glands. Thank you.